guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell. Today guys, I'm going to be doing another brown sugar box unboxing. I skipped the month of December. I did film the video, but I didn't like the way the footage came out. But a couple of days ago, I got my package and I was so excited. Let's open it up. So the first item that was actually in the back of the box was a laptop sleeve. It has this really cute picture on the front and the back. I like this. This is cute. I have one, but it's black. And now I have one that's like color. And there's still like lots. I don't know if you can see that, but there's still lots of space for a computer that's a little bit bigger. And this is the cover. Ooh, oh my God. Okay, so the first item is their little booklet. The girl on the cover is beautiful. She is really beautiful. I love lighting keeps changing, annoying me. But the first item is a budget binder. You see, I was gonna buy me another one because I do want to start back cash envelope stuffing, and I actually have one. But look at this one. This one is so cute. Oh wow. And the envelopes, they come labeled already. Oh wow. Emergency, entertainment, I like this. I like this. I like this so much. Okay, so the next item is a notepad. Is it one? This is, okay, but I'm not gonna open it, but it looks like there's 2 or 3 pads in here, and it just has, it's basically like a to-do list. Well, it is a to-do list notepad. And the picture, I love this picture too. Okay. This is like all about like starting the new year off right, okay? So the next item is a vision board kit. I have to open this. Oh, it comes with a board. It comes with, ooh, it comes with, whoa, don't drop it. It comes with some, ooh, it comes with lots of stickers. These are dry erase markers. I love that I could write on this and just erase it. And then the last item is the t-shirt, which is my favorite color. You guys, I love this blue color. If you guys could see. It says, protect your peace. This shirt is cute. So that is all the items in my brown sugar box. I really love, I think my favorite product is the cash envelopes. I really actually loved all of the products in this month's box. I cannot wait to start using my binder. I have to get my stuff together, my finances. I gotta get it together this year. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate all of you guys for coming and watching. Thank you guys. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to, hit the subscription button down below and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you will always get notified when I upload a video, okay? Thank you guys so much. Always remember guys to smile, stay positive, and spread that positive vibe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.